pre-seed, that means you're investing before the demo day. And you're investing like a machine, like either a very active angel, or you've actually got other people's money that you're investing in a fund, or you've got a seed program investing as a corporate off the balance sheet. And I think that pre-seed is interesting. I think that if you're ready to make a move, there's not a lot of due diligence to do because these companies have barely existed for very long, that you can make a high frequency of investments and get into a pace of a couple a week. You're going to it's before demo day, so you'd probably want to be a mentor at Y Combinator, and you're roaming the halls and getting in before the demo day. If you're doing a lot of those, you're probably getting in at decent valuations and can make some good cash-on-cash multiples. Things to consider that a lot of angels or seed funds have to live through it to learn, and I'd encourage you to learn this without spending 5 years of your life, is that don't expect anything to sell very fast. You're that much further away from the exit. If the time delay between Series A and IPO is like 9 to 11 years or 12 years, the time delay to M&A is maybe 6, 7 years. That's probably shortening now with where we are in the economic cycle. If we hit a downturn, it might elongate further. That you might not have any exits before you could talk about raising a fund too. Okay, demo day seed. This I think is. I don't want to discourage people from investing in it, but I don't think I have to worry about that. This has become so crowded. I think this is the most irrational spot of the market to be playing in right now. I think that I try not to miss a YC demo day, Y Combinator demo day, and like they're encouraging you to sit there with the app open and actually commit to invest. And they have a thing called handshake or like. I click the like button, which means I want more information. The handshake means I have no idea what the valuation is, but I'm in. Uncapped note, sign me up. Throw me naked on a highway. I mean, it's just crazy, crazy, crazy. So I think that the demo day seed has, we're overlooking Highway 92 right here, so I'm inspired. But here in this office we're standing in. But I think that the number of like restaurant and Hollywood film investors that are not the kind of investors I consider to be the insider, former Silicon Graphics, HP guys in the Silicon Valley that are investing in this space is huge. So there's been a big increase in the number of people that want to invest in this. The phenomenon of being able to attend a demo day, turn this thing off before it rings, the ability to attend a demo day is open to everybody. AngelList has kind of democratized this. So I think that what used to be it used to be an exclusive boys club to be able to access these seed deals is now totally open. As an entrepreneur, I love that, and I think it's great. As a VC, I love it because let other people pay for the experiments, and we can come in with a value-added machine and then really do well. So now I'm still active here. I'm still active in that myself, but I just caution that this part of the market's gone a bit crazy. Later stage seed is less easy to access, but still somewhat easy to access. A lot of these guys are still paying attention to AngelList. You might have met them in demo day and got their business card and you're harassing them to invest in them. So a lot of the restaurant investors are still operational in the later stage seed, but for the very good ones, they're starting to get more institutional participation. They're getting more choosy about what value do you bring to me other than the dollars. So to be able to successfully invest in the later stage seed, you need a story as an investor. You need to describe what value you bring to the syndicate of investors beyond the dollars. And so that makes it harder to get into.